Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Charlene G, and we're back with another video. So before we get into this video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Let's get this video to 500 likes and leave some comments down below. And I'm super excited for this video. As you can see by the title, this is going to be a headband wig review. Now, this is my second headband wig, y'all, and like I'm so freaking in love with this headband wig. Okay, it's a partnership with a hair company by the name of Elemo. I hope I pronounced that correct, but it goes by the name of Elemo. Of course, everything is going to be listed down below. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this hair, which I feel like y'all are going to be interested in this hair, then of course check down below in my description box for all the details. So before we get into the wig, let's get into this box. Okay, so this is the box that the hair came in. The wig did come in like one of these little stringy bags or whatever you call these bags, y'all. I don't know. So we're gonna get into the headband in a minute, but they did send me some wig caps, which I'm so happy about. I love when hair companies send me wig caps because, girl, I be running out and I be needing more. So I'm happy that they sent me a pack of wig caps. They also sent me this little cheetah pouch. Let's see what's inside of this pouch. This is how the pouch looks, y'all. So, ooh, they sent me some lashes. These lashes are a little thin though. They more on the natural side. They more on the natural side. Not my cup of tea, you know. I'm more of a dramatic lash girl, so I might not be wearing these. But they are cute. I'm probably gonna put these on my clients, for my clients who love them little natural lashes or whatever. But yeah, they sent me a pack of lashes. And then this, oh, see, this I really need. This is one of those little makeup cloth spongy thingies where you put your finger through it, and then I can't explain it, but y'all know what I'm talking about. Like, you know how they have the little cloth and then they may do the eyeshadow if the face is done. Like, I hope that explains it, but this is pretty much what that is, and I actually need this. So shout out to y'all for sending me this because I really need that. And then they sent me so many headbands. Now, like I said, this is my second headband wig. The other one that I have, I don't really like it because it's too kinky. It's too kinky curly. So I decided to go with something more like a loose curly pattern. Like, they sent me so many headbands. So of course, once you get the wig, it already comes with a natural black band, and that's pretty much what I have on now because my outfit today was colorful. So yeah, so first they sent me a cheetah one, and I'm actually going to try this on because I want to see like how it looks myself. So let me see. This cheetah one is probably going to be real cute. Oh, hey, like this is real. Okay. Hold on, put the hair behind the ear. I'm so excited. This wig could not come soon enough. Like, I don't know if y'all understand, but this is the summer protective hairstyle right here. I told myself that I wanted to take breaks from frontals, and I just want to take a break from frontals. Like, I still want to wear wigs, but wigs that are easy and wigs that I don't have to glue down. And this is it. Like, this is the summer hair. Like, I already love curly hair, especially during the summer. And this headband wig, like, it literally takes me 10 minutes to put on. Like, glue down my edges, gel down my edges, put the wig on. And mind you, my hair is not braided. Y'all gonna see later on through this video. This is giving. This is giving. Like, this is really cute. I'm really fucking with the cheetah one. Like, what? Look at the curl pattern, y'all. I can't remember off the top of my head which curl pattern I got and the length, but of course everything is listed down below in my description box because I know somebody's gonna comment under my post on this video asking questions that's in my description box. Please check down below in my description box, y'all, please. Okay, let's try on another one. Yeah, this one was like really freaking cute, and as y'all can see, this wig is secure. Like I said, I'm gonna get into all the details of the wig, like how it looks on the inside and all of that. I'm gonna get into it. Okay, this is more like a tropical one. Oh shoot, hold up. Okay, this one is cute as well. I love it, and I actually have a swimsuit that matches with this one perfectly. Like, I'm really gonna just invest into a bunch of headbands because this is really gonna be my summer hair. Like, protective hairstyle, easy to take off and put on, like perfect. Because y'all, I'm telling you, like, it's too hot. It's too freaking hot for frontals. It's too hot for frontals. Like, not doing it. Okay, this next one, now I love this one because I love the colors in it. So it has like this mustard color, it has this brown, and it has a little hint of the blue. This one is really, really pretty. I love the pattern and the color combination. So let's see how this one looks. Oh, y'all, these headbands are not that stretchy. Like, my head is so big, bro. Okay. So this is the next one. Yeah, I really like this one. And then another thing I like about these headband wigs is, like, you can wear them as far back as you want to, or as close as possible. Like, I really could wear this headband just like this, like kind of like right on my hairline and on my forehead, or I can just push it back and have like my edges out. I love it. They sent me 5 headbands. Y'all, these combs got my shit secured. Alright, so the next one is this blue one. So honestly, y'all, I don't feel like trying this on. It hurts because it's so tight. But I'm pretty much just gonna do like this, but y'all can kind of see like how it would look. Yeah, I like this one a lot. I like the color combination. This one's also like a really pretty headband, really pretty color combination. And then the last one is like another green one. This one has like green and a little hint of yellow in it. So yeah, it will probably look like this. Those were the headbands, and I'm so appreciative that they sent me 5 of them. So that's perfect. Now let's get into this unit. Okay, so I'm gonna take this unit off so y'all can really see what's going on under here. All right, so this is the unit. I love the curl pattern of this unit. I did not wet this unit yet, y'all. Like, I just took it straight out the pack, and I just been like fluffing it out a little bit and going about my day. I have not put any water to this unit yet because I kind of want to, because you know how you get curly hair and the curls come like that coily type of curl pattern, and then once you wet it, the curl pattern kind of changes. So I didn't want to wet the unit as of yet. Like, I want to wear this out as much as I can while the curls are still like this. So I did not want to wet the unit yet, so I did not wet it. But y'all can see how super curly this hair is. I love it. Oh, I love it. I was like, let me try something like a loose curl pattern this time. And this one was given, okay? As y'all can see, my hair is not braided down. Like, I just twist my hair up in some jumbo twists and like put it all in a ponytail. And then like I just gel my edges down. My hair is not braided. Like, you don't have to worry about braiding your hair under like this. Just do some little braids in the back or some 2-strand twists. Put it in a ponytail and you're good, you know. So yeah, and then also I don't always have time to go get my hair braided down, so this is really convenient. And like I said, the headband wig naturally comes with a black headband on it already. It does strap to the back. And then for the combs, this wig has so many combs, so baby, your wig is bound to be secure, okay? So it has a comb in the middle, so I put that comb in the middle of my head. It has 2 combs on the side, and then it has 1 comb in the bag that you would clip in the back. So yeah, my wig is always secure. It stays in place. Like, I don't have to worry about this shit coming off or sliding off or anything. So yeah, and it's really comfortable, y'all. I'm telling you, it's easy to deal with. Like, I know I love my frontals, but this summer I really want to go back to protective hairstyles and hairstyles that are easy to maintain during this heat. The most thing I love about this unit is the curl pattern. Like, baby, it's there. I love it. I can't wait to actually get this hair wet to see like how it's gonna look. And also, I'm not gonna do it in this video, but I do know that even with a headband wig, you can really style this to your liking. Like, I've seen people do high ponytails, high buns, like, yeah, sis, like, you really can do different hairstyles with a headband wig. So that's what I like about it the most. And yeah, sis, this is like really my new favorite unit because I love curly hair. You ain't gotta do shit to it. So don't forget to check down below in my description box if you guys are interested in this unit. All the information is down below. Everything you guys need to know is listed down below. So go check down below. Don't forget to leave some comments, and don't forget to like this video. Let's get this video to 500 likes, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Thank y'all for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video.